be okay up there.
Good.
Yeah.
Congratulations, though. What a career so
yeah,
far.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Good football player,
Yeah,
too.
good football player. Yeah, you were just mentioning that.
Yes.
Yeah, good stuff. Hey, yeah, we need some decent weather for the ball games.
We'll do what we can.
Okay.
Thanks for ordering it.
Yeah, sure. I'll put an order in. Doesn't hurt.
We still have some soggy weather tonight. It's winding down, but tomorrow's still a decent chance for some wet weather, so keep the umbrella handy. It was damp the first half of the day on the plateau. This is cloud cover, the brighter yellows and oranges. That's the thicker cloud cover, and then the white here is the clearing. We're actually seeing some breaks in the clouds across portions of the plateau now, and soon will here in the Knoxville area as well. This is what it looks like Cumberland County and Crossville. You see a partly cloudy sky, and a little bit of sun trying to peek out. Rain is about to make its way into portions of Sevier County, including right here, Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies. Grab your umbrella. Don't forget it. I'm yelling at those people so they get it. Here comes the rain. We're talking about Monroe County, Blount County. So here's Gatlinburg. This batch of rain is what's sliding to the north and east, and we'll be in the Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area shortly. Wider perspective, last 3 hours, you can see that rain is moving northeast, weakening some, and will continue to do so. In fact, really, by the time we get to midnight tonight, the majority of the area looks like will end up being dry. 6 predictor shows that from 6 o'clock now through 11 o'clock. Again, rain chances really starting to dwindle. This is what I'm interested in the fact that the clouds are breaking up on the plateau. If the wind is light enough, you can see some fog start to develop pretty quickly there. Clouds, though, come back before sunrise, at least this forecast model showing that, as do some showers across the plateau. I think the better bet, though, will come as we go through the afternoon hours on our Friday. We'll start out upper 50s, close to 60 degrees most areas. Again, I mentioned the possibility of some fog where we have those cloud breaks, but then rainfall is really going to be more widespread, we'll say tomorrow. Low to mid 70s, most areas for highs. 74 in Dandridge, Knoxville, Oak Ridge, 71 in Crossville, and 72 in Jamestown. So we start out 7 a.m. tomorrow. A little bit of patchy fog, a random shower is possible, but again, more likely from lunchtime on. This is midday. You see a couple trying to pop up, but watch how quickly they develop in the afternoon, just like the past couple of days, right? And some of this rainfall is going to be locally heavy. That's 4 o'clock. Right through the evening hours, 7, and then it all shifts eastward, and we start to quiet down once the sun sets at least a little bit. This is 11 o'clock Friday night. There is a possibility we could see some isolated flooding in some spots. Everybody has the opportunity. The green means a low threat, but there is a threat. Doesn't mean everybody will see it. It's just that potential is there, especially if some of this rain moves over the same spots because there's so much moisture in the atmosphere. These are levels like we normally see in the middle of summertime. It's that tropical feel. You can see the shading here, the greens to yellows. That's the higher moisture content that stays with us all day Friday into Friday night. Here comes the cold front, though. It's going to squeeze out what moisture is left the first part of the day Saturday. This is 8 a.m. That front slides to the south and east, and look at the drier air starting to pool in by Saturday evening, and you're really going to notice it by the time we get to Sunday morning. In fact, the Comfort Cast really points that out as it dips down off the scale. It'll be pretty comfortable, but look at the rebound as we head into next week. So you can kind of tell, right? That's when our rain chances will return as well, the second half of next week. It's warm, it's muggy, and we'll see those scattered storm chances come back next Wednesday and Thursday.